Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, a new chapter that is human eye and the colorful world. So as we know that eye is a very important sense organ of our body. So we need to study about it. We need to study how the eye function, how we can see the colorful world with the help of our eye. We know that eye is a sense organ which help us to see the things around us. And in this colorful world, we can see various phenomena like rainbow formation, twinkling of star, or the color of the sky is blue, or the space is black, then the color of the sea is uh, blue. So all this phenomenon that we are going to discuss in this chapter. In the previous chapter, light, we have studied the different aspects of light like reflection, refraction. Then we have also studied about lens. What are the different types of lens? Then the nature, position, and the type of image formed by this lens that we are going to discuss here. All this thing will be needed here. So in this chapter we are going to discuss the topic which are going to discuss are human eye, then power of accommodation, defects of vision and their correction, refraction of light through prism, dispersion, atmospheric refraction, scattering of light. So today in this session we are going to discuss about human eye. So as I have already mentioned that eye is one of the important sense organ of our body. Okay, we can uh, identify an object by the touch or smell, but to see the color of the object, eye is very much necessary. Just think, if you close your eyes, can you see the colorful world? Everything will look just black. Okay, so eye is very much important. Study of eye is very important. Also, many people are facing many defects in their vision, therefore they use spectacles. So that we are also going to discuss, but today in this session we are going to discuss about the structure of eye. So what are the different components of eye, human eye? First we will say that the human eye is spherical in shape, okay, and has a diameter of nearly 2.3 centimeter. The different components are cornea. You can see here the outer portion of the eye, that outer portion, that is the cornea. Okay, you can see here this portion is cornea. Okay, this portion is cornea. Next is aqueous humor. In between cornea and the lens there is a space where there is a watery fluid, that is aqueous humor. We will discuss the function of it. Next is there is a muscular diaphragm on both sides, that is the iris. You can see here, this is the muscular diaphragm. Then there is pupil. It is a small opening through which the light will goes and focus into the lens. The lens is, there is a convex lens in our eye. Then it is guarded by two muscles, that is ciliary muscle, which hold the lens, and it's also helping the adjustment of the lens. Then in this portion there is a fluid that is known as vitreous humor. This portion, it is filled with fluid, that is jelly like substance, that is vitreous humor. We will discuss the function of vitreous humor also. Behind the eye there is a screen that is known as retina, where the image formation takes place. So now we will discuss the component about the different components of or the function of the different components of human eye. So first is about cornea. Cornea, as we have already discussed, it is a thin membrane outside through which the light enters. The light enters through this cornea. Then aqueous humor, it is a fluid between the cornea and lens. And what does it do? It is a watery substance, so it helps in maintaining the pressure balance. It balances the pressure, and it also the place where the refraction occurs. As we know that the light enters from a rarer to denser medium, here it is water is the denser, so some refraction occurs here. Then iris. Iris is a muscular diaphragm that controls the size of pupil and responsible for color of the eye. So the color of our eyelids, that is due to this iris, and it also regulates the size of the pupil. What is pupil? Pupil is a small opening. It's just like a door which is covered on both sides by the wall. There is a small opening like the door, we can go in and out. So the pupil is the small opening that is guarded by the iris on both sides, and it regulates the amount of light entering the eye. Like when if we go to a bright light, what happens? Our pupil will, the size of the pupil will decrease, and when we go to a dim light, the size of the pupil will increase. Then lens. So what type of lens we have in our eye? The convex lens. The function of the lens is that it provides finer adjustment of the focal length which is required to focus different objects. Maintains the focal length, and it focuses the object at different position in the retina, and it forms a real and inverted image of the object. Next is ciliary muscle. Ciliary muscle, it holds the lens and it maintains the curvature of the lens, and hence if it maintains the curvature of the lens, it also adjust the focal length by maintaining. We have studied about center of curvature, radius of curvature in the chapter light. So in this way it maintains the curvature and hence the focal length of the lens. Then there is a fluid jelly like substance, vitreous humor, which helps in maintaining the spherical shape of the eyeball. You can see this fluid is filled in whole space and it maintains the shape of the eyeball, just like a balloon filled with water. What happens, like in there is no air or water in the balloon, its size is different, but when the water or air is filled into the balloon, it gains its full size. So it's just like that. Then retina, it is a thin membrane where image is formed, and it consists of light sensitive cells called rod and cone cells. These are basically the receptors which gets illuminated when lights fall in it and generates electrical signals. These electrical signals are carried through the optic nerve to the brain, and the brain interprets the information and we perceive the object as it is. So this is the function of the different components of the eye. Okay, hope you all are clear with the structure and the function or the parts of the eye and the function of each and every part. So if you like my channel, if you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.